filter. Takes only a few minutes. The polarity of the magnet, which side you're going to put in. Take the filter out, take your magnet, and now you're going to attach that to each side. Okay, you can mark this, and this would be the outside of the magnet. You just have to mark these. Be careful screwing the 1 1/4 inch filter in there. Threads are very delicate, so you just want to start it and very gently work it. Also, if your magnets are not fitting, not able to press it in, put a spot of glue on it and let that cure overnight. Ready to insert it. Sits right in there. Magnet holds it perfectly in place, and that's a lot easier than having to pull that out with gloves on and screw a 1 1/4 inch filter in there. Thank you.